Good morning! What's up, y'all? Baby's driving. We going to a car show?
Yeah.
A car show is one of my birthday gifts, another part of my birthday gift. So, y'all know I had to smack something real quick.
Hey,
What?
let me get a bite again. Yeah.
Yum!
Yeah.
She always trying to eat my food too, y'all. Always. I don't know why. Yeah, she didn't want the one with cheese. Now she's smacking it.
I thought it came with eggs.
I thought it came with eggs.
So I'm kind of pissed about that.
You mad?
Yes.
Alright, we'll get you an egg one. We just gotta go back at 12
No.
at night.
12 at night.
That's when they start serving breakfast again.
I thought this changed it to all day.
There ain't no day.
Whatever.
They lying. Anyway. Hi, Joseph. Hey. Tati behind me. If y'all, I don't know. Oh, there she go.
Hi.
She says hi like that in every vlog,
That's
bro.
that's how I do.
That's what you do, though.
Intro, though.
That's what you
You
do.
hater? You mad?
You know what I'm gonna start?
You wanna
You
be
know
a
what I'm gonna
hater
start
too?
doing, babe? I'm gonna be smacking in every intro now.
Knock it
like
off.
this.
You basically do that anyways.
Oh, well, there you go.
Ow!
You probably haven't in a while, but there's a stream of videos, like 5 of
It
them,
was like our first 6.
snacking on something.
Now I need some water though.
Girl, give this to John.
Okay.
All we got is coffee.
So he can do that. You know he likes his little reward stuff.
What is this?
Then he will give me my money.
Wow. Oh, it's a sweepstake. I'm about to try to win, y'all. If I win, I ain't giving none of them nothing.
Wow.
Yes, you are.
Go ahead and break us on a little something.
my GTR.
Whoa.
Man, sit down, boy.
Oh, you want to give me that, y'all?
No, of course I'll get you a
Okay, get
GTR.
my baby.
What
You
you
want to go
getting
half?
me?
What?
What you getting me?
A GTR.
A hug?
You're so
Uh-huh.
annoying.
That ain't right at all.
I'm just kidding, babe. I'll get you the biggest rock on earth. I'll be like, babe,
It has to
here's
be
a
shiny.
diamond. Yeah, you seen Cherry Avenue was coming up, right?
No.
Okay, see, that's why I know that you don't pay attention
Y'all
while driving.
distracting me.
What?
And this big thing is in front of me.
All right, I gotta cut the
Can't see
camera because I'm about to get real ignorant one time with her.
Wow.
What's good, y'all? It's hot
See
though.
us? Okay.
It's hot though. But we're here racing. We're about to get another race going on here soon. They over here chilling. It's about to be popping, right, baby?
I'm about to buy one of these cars
Are you?
off of somebody.
Low key, we're gonna have to start. We're gonna get something faster.
Why? Well, who are you racing?
We can come up here and do this. You can't tell me I can't do this. This is legal. I'm not on the street.
Okay, yes, you can do this.
Okay.
but
See those cars over there? We're about to get it in, y'all. So, baby, you gonna let me come up here and
Yeah,
race?
that's not such I guess.
Okay. Hey, Joe. So we're gonna trade in our Honda Civics and get some Evos, and we're gonna race, bro.
Okay, so you want to race my Honda inside then?
Yep.
But I'm keeping my car then.
I'm paying my car off.
Oh, that's
Our
fine.
car's almost paid off, so there's no point in us trading our cars.
Sell it.
No.
Get the cash to get something
Because I'm
even
going to gut
faster.
him out. And I'm going to put hella money. I'm not selling him. He's
Oh,
gonna
so
take my
I guess
car.
Tati's gonna have a real fast whip soon here.
Midnight gonna be
Hey, wait,
breaking
actually,
necks.
how can we do my GTR versus your...
You just said.
That's the car I am getting.
Anyways, so y'all, we'll have a lot of footage today. Today is gonna be a great Sunday. We still praise the Lord though, just so you know. We love Jesus, but we want to see these cars race today. And they really only have these things on Sunday for the most part, because that's when people are not working. Because some people work on Saturday, such as all these people who build cars. Here we go, y'all. I got the white
You don't
hatchback.
want to use the camera to record this?
Oh, I am. Just did something on the vlog and then I got on.
Well,
Cause y'all need footage too, right?
that's what I say. We could just use the same ones.
Okay, yeah.
Is Joey?
The white one.
You gonna take the white one too?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see y'all. Okay, what we
I
doing?
was gonna say the red one.
Oh, where are you now? Comedy. What's good? What's good? Back at the vlog, y'all. This car event's dope. It's dope. Cleaning. You about to get a picture of this?
I'm gonna just vlog it.
Oh, okay.
No, it
Yeah.
just makes me just want to go drop a bunch of money on my car.
Low key, that's what it does. Cause these are clean whips, huh, babe? Super
this
clean
one.
whips. Super clean whips.
You got me?
What, this?
Something.
Yeah. Get you everything that you want, babe. You know, cause that's what I'm supposed to do.
That's not a spike.
Yeah, but you said that they weren't.
That's what the guy said, but I don't know who
But
to
it's your
believe
preference
for.
now. I know you
I
like.
just be talking.
Mhm.
Right, though. Like, they just want you to spend money, probably.
That okay. Probably say everything like, oh, can't get this, can't get that, but then had to talk to another vlog camera. But anyways, but this is pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Maybe there in the background. Come on, babe.
What?
Look at this. Clean. Clean. Oh, this clean, nigga. I was kidding. Look at these, babe. Those are dope, right? Clean. Well, hopefully you guys enjoying our vlog so far. It's a little hot out here today, so
It's too hot.
yeah.
I thought
We
we
thought
was past this.
I thought we was past the summertime weather, but clearly we're not. So I mean, I don't know, but it's dope
Y'all
though.
get the banner like this, put it on your car like this.
Exactly. I'm gonna do just that. All right, y'all. I'll catch you in a second.
Hey, hey.
How y'all
Hey,
doing?
hey.
Hey. Hey, I was
Baby's
in the
not
middle.
with
I was
it.
in the middle of something. Okay. Dang.
What?
See, there's cars.
What you doing?
Blitz unique style. Blitz unique style. I don't know what that is exactly. But
Well, we're leaving.
mhm.
We're gonna go eat.
Yes, we are.
We're hungry.
Look at that pink.
What?
Pink
Can you
wheels.
see it? I need to get my rims.
Low key. We gotta
If you
stop
got
playing.
me,
We gotta stop playing. Look at babe. We gotta get our
I
Evos.
have
We
no
gotta get our
job, so
Evos.
now, see, yeah, he's trying to, well, let's trade our cars in.
See, and I like these too. I like the STI or the Evo. I don't know which one to get. But I
Well,
need
we're
one of those.
chilling with our Civics right now.
Oh God,
What? You love your car.
I did.
Knock it off.
I really did. Now I'm about to be driving lady-driven car right now. Out of here.
You look cute in it.
Oh, thank you, babe. Good night, y'all. No, just play. I had a really amazing day. Cause of this girl right here. So
I try to, you know.
no, you did your thing
sometimes.
for real, and it's not even over yet. I'm getting stuff early, like Laker tickets,
It's like
the car show, and then I don't know what's next.
birthday month. That's why I said happy birthday month.
I love you.
Yeah, me too. Oh, that's cute. He's adorable.
I'm
isn't
just
he?
kidding. Nah, but right now we're chilling. Look, shorts. I love
Can't
shorts.
see you.
You can see me. Look, we're chilling. We about to watch 8 Mile.
We
On the
watched
TV.
Space Jam yesterday.
Space Jam was last night. Tonight's 8 Mile. We're trying to have like movie nights because we haven't got a chance to really watch movies like that. So
I'm tired though.
we had a long day. But we about to be switching positions here because she been laying on me all day. I'm about to let her watch this movie. You feel me? Nah, but
Yeah.
we're just gonna tell y'all peace, love, happiness, and see y'all soon. Oh, babe,
What?
the SQ.
Is it Sunday?
Yes, today's Sunday.
Oh, do something about like the whole situation.
Oh yeah, never put your trust in everybody. Always try to remain on your toes when people are giving you information about stuff, and always find out everything for yourself. Never believe what they tell you at the first time. And don't trust many, because when you trust many, that's when many go against you. Deuces, y'all.
You look just like Eminem, babe.
Did I?
Mm-hmm.
Pull it off?
You and I should be together. You and I should be together. You and I should be together, baby. Should be together, baby. I wanna give you all my time. I wanna give you all my time.